Hi, I'm Job Cooper with Wyckoff Heating and Cooling, serving Central Iowa. Today we're going to give you a brief tutorial on how to program a Honeywell Pro 4000 programmable thermostat. This is the Honeywell Pro 4000 5-2 programmable thermostat. It's kind of Honeywell's basic thermostat. We're going to go through kind of the basic operation and setup of this thermostat today. As you see here, you've got the heat mode, the cool mode, and then the fan in the auto or on position. Those are pretty self-explanatory. If we want heating, we're going to turn it to heating. If we want cooling, we'll turn it to cooling. And if we want continuous fan on, we'll turn that to on. Now in the setup here, it's pretty easy on these. Honeywell has done a lot of thinking and working on making these as simple as possible in setting up. So we're going to hit the set button, and the first thing that it says is to set the clock. So we're going to go ahead and do that. That says set day, and then we'll go to the schedule. So we're going to hit run. Anytime you get stuck or whatever, you can always hit that run. That'll take you right back to the basic screen where it's running the program that it's set at that time. So come back here to set the clock. You can see it's going up or down based on these hours, whether it's AM or PM. Right now it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. So we'll go ahead and set that. You can see if you hold it down, it starts moving very, very quickly. So that's about the right time. As we hit set again, then down in the bottom, we're going to set the day that it is. Today is Thursday, so we've got that set. Now we get into the actual setting of the programmable thermostat part. Right now you see in the bottom right hand corner it says cooling. If we wanted to set the heating, we just flip it over to heating. If we wanted to go back to cooling, we can set the cooling. But what Honeywell's done to make this simple is down here in the bottom left hand corner it says wake. So at whatever time you want this system to kick on in heating at a specific temperature, you'll just set it. So let's say 7 o'clock, and we want it to come up to 72 degrees. You'll hit set again, and as you see there, it says leave. So let's say you leave for work at 8:30, and you want that to set back to 65 degrees. So it's going to drop the temperature back to 65 degrees. We're going to do the same thing. Return. What time am I coming home from work or whatever activity? Let's say it's at 5:30, and we want it to be back at 72 degrees again. And then we'll go, it says sleep, so I'm going to go to bed at 11 o'clock, and I want that thing to turn back to 68 degrees so that I can save some gas and electricity. So I've done Monday through Friday there. Now there are other Honeywell thermostats that have, you can program each individual day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This one here has two programs, Monday through Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday are a separate program. So as I hit this again, now I'm on the Saturday and Sunday program, and I go through the same thing, the wake, I set the temperature, leave, set the temperature, the time, and return, and then sleep. And then it tells me that I'm done doing the heating setup of my programmable thermostat. Now I want to do the cooling, so I hit the set again. We've already done the clock, we've already done the day, and then we don't want to do heat now, so we're going to turn this toggle switch over to cool. And it's going to be the same process that we did in the heating, where it says wake, and it's Monday through Friday. We've got the time, 6:15, and we're going to set the temperature at 70 degrees. And then as we leave at 8:30, we're going to turn it up to about 78, and so on and so forth. And as you get done programming each individual period, wake, leave, return, and sleep, and you get that set, and then when you are done, it'll tell you that you're in, and you hit the run program, and now it's in the programmable mode. You go ahead and set this, and as long as it's running the program, it will be at those temperatures at those particular times. Now, anytime that you're in the house or whatever and you want to override the system, all you need to do is hit the button. We're in the heating mode now. We set the button, and you can see it says temporary up there. If I want to make that a hold, then I push and we keep it there on hold, and it'll stay at that temperature for as long as we want it to until we come back and hit the run program, and then it will start to run the program that we had put in there prior to the hold setting there. So it's pretty simple. Honeywell's done a nice job in using the wake, leave, return sleep words so that it's a lot easier for people to kind of find their way through it. But real easy using the set button as you go through and you set the time and the day and then the schedule. It tells you when it's all over at the end, or you can hit the run program and it's going to run that. We hope you found this video informative and helpful as you go about trying to program your Honeywell programmable thermostat. Remember, there's other Honeywell thermostats out there that give you a lot of capabilities in viewing the displays and changing the temperatures remotely, whether it be your phone, your computer, iPad, or other devices such as that. For more information, please contact us at 515-287-6000 or visit us on the web at www.wyckoffcomfort.com.
Wyckoff's for peace of mind under your roof.